everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about the sticky stuff that accumulates in our tissues and in our blood throughout the course of our lives. And we cover this a lot in my Primetime Health series, which is offered as an in-person workshop for groups or individuals as an e-workshop on friscofitcity.com. But this is one of the topics that we cover when we're discussing how to age healthfully and prevent disease in our Primetime Health workshop. But here's the deal. Our bodies are complex, and sometimes it's going to be hard to cut through all the scientific medical jargon to truly understand what's going on. So here's going to be one of the simplest, non-sciencey ways of aging that you're ever going to hear, okay? We call it sticky stuff in your garbage disposal theory of aging, okay? Aging has two main causes: accumulating too much sticky stuff in our blood and tissues, and as we age, our garbage accumulates in the body. And the body's own garbage disposal system, aka your immune system and digestive system, begins to weaken. So it can't get rid of all that sticky stuff as efficiently as it could when we were, 16, 20, 25. So health, therefore, is simply keeping that sticky stuff out of your body and strengthening your garbage disposal system, okay? Your body is working hard for you every single day. Shouldn't we try to make things as simple for our body as possible? So here's the deal. The longer we live, the more garbage gets into our bodies through the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, the stress that we experience. As we age, our body's garbage disposal system or our immune system weakens, right? That garbage that accumulates in our body causes that sticky stuff to build up in our tissues, in our arteries, in our blood. People who maintain their garbage disposal systems and put less garbage in their bodies are going to age better than those who don't. Okay? Pretty simple, right? Are you ready to learn how to stop that sticky stuff and fine-tune that garbage disposal system of yours? It's easier than you think. Sign up today for this month's e-workshop, our Primetime Health program. I've got some very easy tools to age without illness and injuries. I would love to share them with you. Check it out on friscofitcity.com, Primetime Health. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.